Hope everyone have a great day today. Happy St. Patrick. Thank you. Yeah. Just guide them, the powder, toward the center of the nails and the middle of the nails. So that's why it stay nice and slender. Great. I like it like that. Oh, can I get some piece of paper right here? I need the paper. Please, thank you. Great. Hey, thank you, Jessica. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna shine it really quick. And I'm did it in purpose because I'm gonna put some glitter in here. Can I get my clear powder? I'm sorry. Seems like I need the clear powders. I need that little clear powder so then I can outline my too much. Just a little bit clear. Just a little clear right there. And I'm gonna pick up just a little bit of can I get this? Hey, Danieline, yeah, get me that one, please. How are you? One of the colors in the collection of Touch of Colors. Oh, Blast of Color. I am so sorry. Hey, Sarah. How are you?
I'm happy to be here.
Oh my goodness, my Siri. How does Siri will listening to like a wrong? I'm gonna say hi to Sarah. Just a little bit. Thin coat. Hey, how are you, sweetie? I'm coming today with a live in yellow colors. Really awesome. Stay positive, bye. So excited to see everyone today. I really like want to kind of show up my nails, but my nail is short now. I get my nails from really long to short. Okay, I think I'm get good in this one. Hi, Aman. Hey, Queena. How are you? All right, so then now for a beginner, I'm gonna do like ombre here and an ombre here. We'll see how it turned out with this. There's nude colors, chisel. I love this. It's so easy to work with. And then I'm gonna blend it. Keep my brush flat. The best way, there's 1,000 different ways to do ombre. It's one of the way to do it. Hey, Karina, how are you? Second bead. The first beads I was using it for to blend it ombre nicely, and then second beads I'm gonna working in the cuticle area. I can't really see that far, but hope Instagram and Facebook can see. I will try so then you can all seeing it. So hope everyone have a great day today. Oh, get that up. Don't wait, because I'm gonna fire it off anyway. And I'm gonna using a clear to cap that completely between the pink and the yellow and the glitter. We can put crystal on it. I didn't put butterfly, which is I really didn't like that butterfly. I can put yellow butterflies in there, but I think I can get some butterfly. Everybody like love butterflies. And then just a little bit on this, because it's the long nails. I almost do my nails for all of you to seeing it, but I haven't get one of my students take my long nails off. Okay, good. So I'm not gonna mess up with this. Let it set. Move on to the next one now.